How is a betterment charge calculated? Have you ever wondered how insurance companies determine if you owe them money after your car gets repaired? One key factor is something called a betterment charge. This charge can come into play when your damaged vehicle parts are replaced with brand new ones that improve its overall condition. So, how exactly is this charge calculated? Let's break it down step by step. First, the insurance company will figure out the cost of the new replacement part. This is the price you would pay for a brand new component that will take the place of the damaged one. Next, they will assess the age and condition of your vehicle. The older your car is, the more likely you are to face a betterment charge. This is because replacing an old part with a new one can significantly increase the vehicle's value. After that, the insurer applies a betterment rate based on your car's age. Many insurance companies have a betterment rate table that assigns a percentage depending on how old your vehicle is. For instance, if your car is less than 5 years old, it might have a 0% betterment rate, meaning you won't owe anything extra. However, for cars that are around 5 years old, the rate could be around 15%, and for those 10 years or older, it could go up to 40%. Now, let's calculate the betterment charge. This is done by multiplying the betterment rate by the cost of the new part. For example, if your 9-year-old car needs a new part that costs $5,000 and the betterment rate is 35%, the betterment charge would be $1,750. This amount reflects the increased value of your vehicle due to the new part. Finally, the policyholder, which is you, will need to pay this betterment charge. The insurance company typically covers the cost to restore the vehicle to its pre-accident condition, but they do not pay for any upgrades that enhance the vehicle's value. It's important to note that betterment charges do not apply to every claim. If the damaged part was relatively new or still had a lot of life left, the insurer might cover the full replacement cost without any betterment charge. In summary, betterment charges ensure that insurance companies do not pay for upgrades that increase a vehicle's value beyond its original state. By understanding how these charges are calculated, you can better prepare yourself for the auto insurance claims process. So, the next time you get into an accident, you will know what to expect when it comes to betterment charges.